Hi everybody, welcome to this first tutorial video for the embouchure. If you've gotten the embouchure, if you've purchased it, thank you so much. If not, and you're just here to kind of see what it's about, thank you for being here. So let's get started. In this first video, I'm going to briefly explain the ideology behind the embouchure. There are three main components that I want you to think about. First is awakening or bringing awareness to what's happening. The second is strengthening. The third is coordination. No matter how strong you get in your embouchure, no matter what brass instrument you play, if you don't have ease at the heart of your playing, you will have a net zero in terms of you getting stronger. Okay, for the first drill here, it's going to be very simple. First, we are going to set up. That's going to be the first drill here. If this is new to you, don't push it, go slow. First, we'll extend the aperture setter through the rim. I want you to put your lips around that and create a gentle seal, enough to where you're only blowing air through the aperture setter. Next, you will apply the mouthpiece while keeping that seal. That's it. So here's the exercise, set up like I just explained, and I want you to simply blow only through the aperture setter while maintaining that general setup. Here's how it'll look. So you can blow out for 8 counts, rest for 4, blow out for 8 counts. What I want you to do, remember, awaken, strengthen, coordinate. So right now we're building awareness of what we want to stay in, right? So don't challenge it, just find home base there. Repeat this several times until it feels natural to you. So let's recap. First of all, remember, there's no forcing in the embouchure, no aggressiveness, no excess pressure, and no excess blowing. We're really trying to find ease and put it at the heart of your trumpet playing. So let's recap. We set with the aperture setter, apply the mouthpiece, and then blow. Just like that. Notice where you have tension and notice where you're working to simply maintain that setup. All right, go on to video number 2.